Guido Gallinaro and we are here in Sanya for the Youth Sailing World Championship. Yeah, yesterday was difficult because the wind was so shifty and I could do some races just controlling the fleet and not do strange thing or force something, just keeping clear from the other boats and taking not many risks. Every race is the first race. I'm positive. I think I can do great races. I think today we will get some more wind than yesterday, so it's going to be harder. And I think I will hike more and just take some fun. Here in Sanya it's perfect to sail, and these are my conditions because the medium wind is perfect for me, and I'm enjoying very much this place. Taking a medal is obviously a goal for me, and I think I'll do everything I can do to take it, and the chances are high, and I'll do everything.